Chemistry 101. My name is Diego Peña.
And I'm Ivana Yánez.
And today we're going to talk about chemistry and its applications in the real world.
The first topic of today is chemistry in warfare. Chemistry in warfare gave us a very powerful and dangerous weapon, the nuclear bomb. In a fission bomb, neutrons given off from the radioactive decay of an element, usually uranium or plutonium, are used to cleave adjacent atomic nuclei in the respective radioactive isotope. The neutron does this through force, like a bullet being shot at a piece of limestone. When the neutron hits the atomic nuclei, the large radioactive nucleus is split into two smaller nucleus of different elements, depending on which radioactive element was used at the fissile reactant. The reaction of splitting the atom gives off an immense amount of energy that was originally used to hold the nucleus together and extra neutrons.
Thanks, Ivana, for that information. Next up is Luis Rodríguez with the applications of chemistry in food.
Thank you, Diego. Today we're going to talk about the food preservatives. Preservatives are necessary to ensure the safety and variety of different foodstuffs available. The preservatives help us to maintain the food from spoiling. The preservatives are a type of food additives, and they have substances that are added to food or animal feed during processing or storage. Some of the chemicals used in the preservatives are sulfur compounds such as sulfites, sulfuric acid, benzoic acid and its calcium, sodium or potassium salts, or nitrate and nitrate that are used as additives in meat. Are very helpful, but they can bring us some problems. A problem is that they can cause allergic reactions to some people. Some of these hypertensive reactions include digestive disorders such as diarrhea or colic pains, nervous disorders such as hyperactivity, insomnia, and irritability, respiratory problems such as asthma, rhinitis, and sinusitis, or skin problems such as hives, itching, rashes, or swelling. Now that you have this information, you can be more prepared and informed to know what to eat. We go back to the study.
For a few years, scientists have been talking about the global warming and the melting of polar caps. The term global warming refers to an increase in Earth's global temperature because a part of Earth's outgoing infrared radiation is retained by several trace gases in the atmosphere whose concentrations have been increasing. These gases have the ability to absorb radiation, leading to the tendency of the atmosphere to create warmer climates that would otherwise be the case.
One of the latest news is that this melting of polar ice caps is a threat to Mexico. This Baldwin will show us the three best possible solutions for this problem.
Good morning, Mexico. Today we're going to talk about a topic that is very important to us, the global warming and the melting of the ice ball caps. Some ways to prevent the melting of the ice ball caps are: number 1, saving the energy in our home, because the production of it is the first contributor to the global warming. Because the more we produce energy, the more carbon dioxide we make. Number 2, developing new low carbon technologies like solar cells and aeolic mills. Number 3, make more nuclear plants. Although it's too risky, it's cheaper in the long term and also produces less carbon dioxide. These are some ways to prevent the global warming. Now, we'll go back to the studio.
Now, Dr. Garza will talk about the contributions of chemistry in medicine.
Hello studio, I'm right now in the laboratory and I'm going to explain you the relationship between chemistry and medicine. Chemistry is very important in medicine and health because doctors and pharmacists need a good understanding of chemistry and its properties to find solutions for treating the illnesses, and also because they need to create safe and effective drugs. In other words, chemistry is the basis of medicine and health.
I think chemistry is important because we can use it to improve the world we live in and ourselves. Chemistry teaches us to observe and comprehend our surroundings, and we can use that to create a better lifestyle.
I think that chemistry plays a very important role in our life because everywhere or almost everywhere you can find something that has a relation with chemistry. And I also think that everyone should try to understand chemistry because, like I said, In every place you can find something that has a relation with chemistry, and when you understand what surrounds you, you can use it better and exploit it for your benefit or the benefit of others.
Now that I know how chemistry relates to every aspect in our lives, I understand why increasing our knowledge about chemistry can improve our lives significantly in many ways.
Chemistry is very important for us in the modern world. Without it, we will be nothing because it's the base of our technology.